Tired of juggling endless tasks and feeling buried under a mountain of to-dos? Then it's time to unlock the power of automation. Today, we're diving into Zapier and showing you how to create Zaps automated workflows that can streamline your business and free up your time. First, head over to Zapier.com and log in, then click on the big Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. Every Zap starts with a trigger, an event in one app that kicks off the workflow. Let's say you want to be notified in Slack every time you receive a new email in Gmail. Choose Gmail as your trigger app. Next, select the specific trigger event. In this case, it's new email. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Gmail account, granting it permission to access your emails. Now, it's time to choose your action. What happens after the trigger? Since we want to be notified in Slack, select Slack as your action app. Choose the send channel message action. Just like with Gmail, you'll need to connect your Slack workspace to Zapier. Now, configure the action settings. Select the Slack channel you want the notification sent to, and craft your message. You can even use information from the Gmail trigger, like the sender's email address and the email subject, in your message. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and toggle it on. Congratulations! You've just created your first Zap, and from now on, Zapier will automatically notify you in Slack whenever you receive a new email in Gmail. Explore Zapier and all the apps you can connect to fully automate your workflow and make life easier.